Okay, quick look at the Saramonic Smart Rig 2. This is to connect an external mic, XLR. Okay, so you can connect any XLR type of microphone, and this will power it. And then this part will connect to, for this demonstration, Android phone. This is a TRRS connection, meaning that you will use this with your phone, and it comes right out of the Saramonic itself. You can do some monitoring as well. You can connect headphones here if you want to listen to a playback, but no real-time adjustments. So what you want to do is, to turn it on, this mic right here, the one I got connected to the Saramonic, takes 48 volt power, which it has. So you gotta do is turn the switch, and now you know that the 48 volt is on. This is on, and you're ready to go. Now, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna connect it to your phone, and I record with. Okay, and I'm gonna demonstrate for you what it's like when you activate a recording with the Saramonic. Okay, so let's hit that button here. Now, check. Checking 1, 2, 3 using the Saramonic Smart Rig 2 into the Android phone. So you can see the levels right there as I speak. Checking 1, 2, check 1, 2. Okay, so now it's picking up my voice through the microphone connected to the Saramonic rig into the phone. And when you're ready to stop your recording, you're just gonna hit that button and your recording is there. Let's listen back to it. So you can see the levels right there as I speak. Checking 1, 2, check 1, 2. Okay, so now it's picking up my voice through the microphone connected to the Saramonic rig into the phone. And when you're ready to stop your recording, okay, so there you go. I'm gonna turn phone because there's some. Okay, here we go. So that's it. That's how you use the Smart Rig 2 with Compatibility XLR mic into the Android phone. Okay, when you're done, you just want to turn it off, and that's it.